Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs have parted ways with Gaston Sirino. Here is a statement from Kaizer Chiefs. It says, as Kaizer Chiefs bid farewell to Gaston Sirino, the club would like to express sincere gratitude to Papi for his dedication and contribution over the past 2 seasons. The experienced Uruguayan midfield played a key role in helping Amakosi to achieve success since he arrived at the club. During his time with the Glamour Boys, Sirino featured in 39 matches, scoring 5 goals and providing 8 assists across all competitions, setting an inspiring example of professionalism for the younger players in the squad to emulate. His leadership and experience were instrumental in guiding the team to prestigious Nedbank Cup title last year. We thank Gaston for his commitment, passion, as well as all the memories he leaves behind at Naturena. Nos vemos, papi. That's the statement from Kaizer Chiefs. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Kaizer Chiefs parting ways with Gaston Sirino? Do you think that it's a good move? And there are reports that Gaston Sirino will link up with former Kaizer Chiefs co-coach Khalil Ben Yusuf at Durban City. There are reports that he has already signed and Durban City will unveil him anytime. Now let me hear your thoughts. Do you think that it's a good move by Durban City? Let me hear your thoughts down below on the comment section. And while we are still on the news of Durban City and Kaizer Chiefs, Durban City FC have announced the signing of Tashreeq Morris. Here is a statement that Durban City released. It says, July 13, 2026, Durban, South Africa. Durban City FC is pleased to announce the signing of Tashreeq Morris ahead of the club's 2026-27 Betway Premiership campaign. The 32-year-old centre-forward joins the Citizen with more than a decade of top-flight experience in South African football, having represented Ajax Cape Town City, Sekhukhune United, SuperSport United, and most recently Kaizer Chiefs during his professional career. He has made over 200 senior appearances across all competitions, bringing valuable top-flight experience to Durban City. Speaking after completing his move to the Citizens, Morris expressed his excitement at the beginning of the next chapter of his career. He says, I'm delighted to be joining Durban City FC and to become part of this exciting project. The club has shown great ambition and I'm looking forward to contributing my experience, working hard for the team and helping us achieve our objective for this season. End of quote. Welcome to Durban City FC, Tashreeq. That's the statement from Durban City FC. Now, what do you think of Tashreeq Morris leaving Kaizer Chiefs and joining Durban City? He's also joining former Kaizer Chiefs co-coach Khalil Ben Yusuf. Do you think that this is a good move for him and also for Durban City? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.